Nobody making 100k a month will be begging you to teach you how to make 100k a month. Just know that your registration fee is their source of income.
Now you see this particular statement that this man made. This is where I come in. Somebody sent me this particular video and said I should watch it, and I just watched it and I was like, God, this is exactly the same thing I always tell you guys. Listen, nobody, even me, okay, imagine you yourself, you are making like $1 million every month or every year. Will you come and teach someone how to make the same amount? Will you? Bro, nobody will tell you how they make their money. Don't even go there. Like, this is not something you should be thinking or you should be reasoning in your head. Nobody will tell you how they make their money. Nobody. Somebody will tell you to pay for, okay, I'm saying this because of forex or crypto. Somebody will tell you to pay for class, and if he will make you a billionaire in 6 months. And how much are you paying for the class? $200 or $250. You are paying $250 and you want to make the person a billionaire in 6 months. Bro, you that is paying the money, listen first, think about it first. Can someone make you a billionaire with $200? How? From where? Okay, let me say this. Let me tell you this story. One of my students was complaining to me that he paid $250 to join one of your, I don't want to call his name, one of your big forex traders. He paid $250 to join his class, right? Now, when he joined his class, he found out that there were 11,000 students in the class, Telegram class. There were 11,000 students on it. Now, I was like, I was just laughing. Now, he was telling me he paid $250 and there are 11,000 students on it. And he himself, he was rejoicing that the guy is doing well. For him to have around 11,000 students on it, that he's doing well. That's why so much amount of people are in the class, right? I was just laughing because my own mind, what was going through my mind was, I was just calculating. Now imagine, let's do the math together. Imagine 11,000 students. Inside the 11,000 students, let's say that 10,000, because I like being realistic, 10,000 paid $250, right? 10,000 people paid it out of 11,000. Now in that 10,000 people, $250 times 10,000. Bro, do you know how much that is? Look at it now. $250 times 10,000 people. That is $2,500,000 that you paid for class, that is generated from just class. Now inside that $2,500,000, he can now decide to remove $500,000, buy house and buy one expensive car, keep $2 million aside, and you guys will post it online, and you guys will be like, hey, do forex, there is money in forex. That you start paying, joining class, joining Friday class, joining Wednesday. Bro, like, just sit down and think, bro. Somebody in crypto will do the same thing. You know, I usually tell you guys this thing. You guys should stop jumping from learning from one thing to other, learning this, learning that. Find one and just focus on that one. This is what I usually tell you guys, right? Okay, when dropshipping came out, you guys learned dropshipping, right? After learning dropshipping, how many of you make money from dropshipping? Except those your mentors. They are the ones that make money from dropshipping. Now, after dropshipping, forex, crypto, everything. This one, crypto came out, you guys jump into it. Forex came out, you guys jump into forex. Now is AI automation, YouTube automation, and everybody is now jumping into AI automation, AI YouTube automation. That set of people that teach you dropshipping, teach you crypto, teach you forex, and I'm teaching you AI automation. And you guys don't want to think. You guys don't want to use your sense, bro. I just pity you guys. So my own is, if you want to learn dropshipping, or you want to learn forex, or you want to learn crypto, or even the AI automation, all of them is good. But my own is, you should focus on one, right? Just focus on one and do your thing. Because I always tell you guys, that person that is teaching you AI content, how to do AI automation, is using his face to teach you how to do that. He's not using AI faceless YouTube channel to teach you how to create faceless YouTube channel. He's using his face to teach you. You guys should have sense. So, but that's not my problem. My own is, if you want to learn forex, learn it and know that you are learning forex. Focus on it and do your thing. If you want to learn crypto, the same thing, right? If you want to learn anything, but my own is, you must learn a skills so that you can start earning, whether content creating or forex or every other thing, right? So, peace and love.